Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about both Nifty and Bank Nifty's daily analysis. If you are new here and if you didn't subscribe to my channel till now, kindly do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below here. So first of all, we'll discuss about the past analysis performance of Nifty 50 and we'll see how our analysis went in today's session. So in today's session, the market made a high of 17,224 levels and it made a low of 16,987. So if we see this 17,224 level, it came almost like close to that of the Nifty's like daily target on the upper side, but it missed the upper side daily target by just 10 points. And if you see the lowest price in today's session, it made a low of 16,987 level and it closed below it made a low of 16,987 level, which is lower to that of our extreme target on the downside. So it has tested both this downside daily target and as well as the downside extreme target in the Nifty 50. And in today's session, market has given a good fall and it has given good profits in both Nifty as well as in the Bank Nifty. So in today's session, I have taken two positions in the Nifty 50. So, but unfortunately, the stop loss has been hit for both of my positions, and I was out of the market without any profits in today's session. So I will be explaining how I took positions and how the stop loss got hit in today's session when I explain about my trade setup. So now let's discuss about the technical analysis for Nifty 50 for tomorrow's session. So in today's session, the market has opened gap up opening, and from there market tried to went up and eventually market came down. So from after that, if we see the market after that, eventually market came down continuously and it made a low of 16,987 level. But if we see in between, like in this 12-15 candle, suddenly market went up and it made a high of 17,185 levels, and from there market again came down and it made a low of 16,987 level. So in yesterday's video, we discussed that this 17,000 level will be acting as an important support level because this is a round number, and as well as we can see aggressive call rating or put rating at these levels. That is, we can expect a short straddles formation at this 17,000 level. But if the market closes below this 17,000 level, then we are expecting the market to fall up to the 16,950 and as well as 16,850 levels in today's session. But the market couldn't sustain below the 17,000 level, and from there the market took support at this 17,000 level, and from there market took a U-turn and market is trying to move up. So in today's session, if we see the market exactly at this support point, that is at 17,000 levels, market has formed this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and from there market is trying to move up. If the market goes up, then we can expect a rally up to this 17,187 level, or we can expect a further rally up to this 17,185. This 17,185 level will be acting as an important support point for tomorrow's session. But if the market directly opens gap down opening, and if the market sustains below that level only, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,800 or 16,850 levels initially. And if the market sustains below that level also, then we can expect a further fall up to 16,700. But before that, we need to wait until the market closes below 70,000 level. So as of now, when in today's session there was aggressive put writing at 70,000 level, so that is the main reason Nifty 50 got rejected from the 70,000 level. So if there is any dilution in the put writing for tomorrow's session, then we can easily expect market to close below the 70,000 level. So tomorrow is a Wednesday and day after tomorrow is a Thursday. So as tomorrow it is not a expiry day, then we can easily expect market to close below the 70,000 level. But we need to wait for the market to close below the 70,000 level only in order to build up these short positions in the market. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. And coming to my trade setup for today's session, like how I have taken the entry points and how I booked loss in today's session. So initially market came down and again market went up, and again if we see eventually, so the market again came down and it closed below this support point, important support point, and market is trying to come down continuously. So after closing below this support point, market took support at this 17,070 level, and from there market went up and again it retested this support point, considering it as an important resistance point. So I was late for this entry point, and from there market eventually came down and it made a low of the 17,039 or 40 levels. So I was very much late, and I thought like market will eventually come down up to the 7,070 level, because the distance between the 7,040 and 70,000 levels is hardly like 40 points only. Like I was expecting market to come down directly, so I have taken like short positions over here directly at this 7,040 levels. But if you see in the next candle itself, the market went up and it tested my my stop loss levels over here. So I was out of the market over here, and I have, after this after exiting from the market, I have drawn the retracement of this Fibonacci. So the market is quoting around like 61.8% retracement in this fall. So I thought if the market closes below this trend line, then I can expect a good fall up to the 70,000 level at least. And even I have drawn this AB equal to CD pattern, and I was expecting market to come at least up to 70,009 levels. So after breakout from this trend line, I took an entry point over here in the 1 minute time frame candle. So and from there, that is 70,067 or 17,070 levels. So even like initially I was very much profitable in this fall. So I thought market will eventually come up to this level, but the market couldn't sustain like below previous low, and from there market turn around. And even if we see the candles also, the first candle was a doji, and followed by again doji, and followed by a spinning candle, and followed by a like green candle. So it was completely a like pivot low, and it eventually said like told us that it is going to reverse from this area, because it has formed a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern over here, and followed by a small doji candles, and it was a good breakout. And I was expecting the market to form a double bottom chart pattern also, because I was very much doubtful to take a position over here or not. So as the primary trend is bearish trend, I thought, like, I convinced myself that most probably market will come down only. So that is the main reason I have taken short positions once the market closed below this trend line. So but eventually market went up, and it closed above this neckline, and it has formed a double bottom chart pattern, and from there it went up, and it has tested the this target of this double bottom chart pattern over here also. It went up and made a high of 70,185 levels from the range, from the low of 70,042. So it rallied like more than 140 points from here to here. So that is the main reason I booked loss in today's session, and I was completely out of the market in today's session after that. So this is about my trade setup for today's session. So, and if we see if we see the individual levels for tomorrow's session, in today's session the market closed at 70,043 level, and if the market is trying to move up, the 70,062 levels will be acting as an important resistance point. And if the market is trying to come down, the 70,024 levels will be acting as an important support point. And these two levels will be acting as an support and resistance levels, and this zone will be acting as a central zone. So we need to wait for the market to close above this level or below this level. So if the market closes above this level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,124, and this will be our daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,205. But if the market closes below this level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,963, and this will be our daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,884, and this will be our extreme target on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis and individual level analysis and in detail analysis of Nifty 50, and I hope you found this information as useful. So if you found this information as useful, kindly do like my video. So now let's discuss about the past analysis performance of Bank Nifty. So in today's session, the market made a high of 39,768 level, and it made a low of 39,132 level. And if we see these levels, this 39,768 level was very much close to the extreme like daily target of the Bank Nifty on the upper side, but it missed the upside daily target by 40 points, like 30 points. And if we see this lowest point, that is 39,132, and it almost hit the extreme target on the downside, and even it tested the downside daily target in the Bank Nifty. So in today's session, Bank Nifty has given a good fall, and in yesterday's session we have discussed that the Bank Nifty will be very much volatile for today's session. So as per our discussion and analysis, in today's session Bank Nifty was very much volatile. Bank Nifty went up and again come down, and again it went up and closed in the middle in today's session. So as per our discussion and analysis, like Bank Nifty has shown a very much volatility. So I avoided like taking entry in the Bank Nifty, because I was waiting for the market to close below like a previous support point, that is 39,419 levels. Even though the market has closed below the 39,419 levels in today's session, I didn't take any short positions in today's session because of very much high volatility. So if the market sustains below that level even in tomorrow's session for at least 2 to 3 hours, then I will be planning for taking short positions in the Bank Nifty in tomorrow's session, and I will most probably carry forward them, like it will be like a positional trading, and I will expect a fall up to like more than 2,000 to 2,500 points in the downside. So I will be explaining everything in the chart, like in the Bank Nifty chart. So this is the Bank Nifty chart, and let's change this to hourly time frame. So in today's session, market in the initial balance candle, it was like an indecision candle. So after that, market has given a good fall, and from there eventually market went up. And if we see in the 12-15 candle, similar to the Bank Nifty 50, even in this Bank Nifty, it made a high of like 13,662 levels, and from there again market came down, and again eventually market went up and closed at this 13,481 level. So the opening point and the closing points are almost exactly at the same point, hardly like 200 like 100 to 150 points difference between opening and closing point. So the market in today's session was very much volatile. So considering this, for tomorrow's session, we can draw like this upside resistance line and lower side support line for this inverted hammer candlestick pattern. So if the market closes above this resistance line, then we can expect a rally, and this rally we can expect up to this level, that is 40,000 level, because this level will be acting as an important support or resistance point. And even if we draw a Fibonacci retracement, this 40,000 levels will be coming around like 61.8% retracement. So this level will be acting as an important resistance point for tomorrow's session. But if the market directly opens below this support point, and if the market sustains below this support point, then we can expect a further fall up to this 39,000 levels on the lower side. And the market sustains below this 39,000 level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 38,800 levels on the downside. So if we see like 1 second, I will change this to higher time frame so that you can easily understand my. So the market has to close below this support point, then we can, the next target point will be like 38,627 level or 38,700 levels on the downside. So this will be our next downside target. So this level, we can consider this level as the next downside target, and if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further downside up to 38,236 levels. So these are the targets for the Bank Nifty, and the difference between these upside support point and resistance points is like 2,500 points, and we can expect a fall up to 2,000 points in the Bank Nifty if the market closes below this support point. So hardly we can expect that market can fall up to this 13,000 or 13,130 or 13,000 levels on the lower side. So this is about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. So that's why I'm waiting for the market to close below this support point. So once the market closes below this support point, then I will go for positional trading in the Bank Nifty. So now let's discuss about the individual levels of Bank Nifty for tomorrow's session. So in today's session, the market has closed at 39,411, and if the market is trying to move up, this 39,467 levels will be acting as an important resistance point. And if the market is trying to come down, this 37,360 levels will be acting as an important support point. And these two levels will be acting as an support and resistance point, and this level will be acting as a central zone. If the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a good rally up to this 39,648, and this will be our daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 39,885, and this will be our extreme target on the upside. But if the market closes below this level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 39,194, and if then we can consider this one as a daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 38,977, and this will be like a extreme target on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis and individual level analysis, and as well as past analysis performance, and at the same time my trade setup. So for both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and I hope you have liked this video, and I hope you have found this video as useful and informative. So kindly do like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel in order to get these kind of videos, like updates about these kind of videos regularly. So let's meet in another video. Until then, bye and Jai Hind.